Alright, cool, got it. Let's go.
I love it.
Downtown Summerlin.
Yeah.
I stopped right when you said that.
What did you say? Oh, dang! Cut that out.
It's right when you said Downtown Summerlin.
Yeah? Don't touch, don't touch.
Is it
Yeah, but don't touch.
I'm
That's pretty cool. Uh-oh. Come on, guys.
Yeah. She can really search
Yeah, I can.
something there.
Where? Urban?
American Eagle.
Smishmallow.
Yeah, we're gonna go inside. To Claire's.
Wait, that's
Parkour! Parkour! Parkour!
Wait a second. I think it's. I see Mama.
You do? Where is she? They're in the store. Buying stuff.
Yeah.
Parkour!
Ooh,
What's that?
it's upside down.
Where?
See?
I don't see it. Oh, the reflection. Parkour! Jump. Parkour! Bam! You gonna stand right here? What's up with the Yankees? Is that your team?
Ow. Ow.
No, you're gonna drop it. Climb up. Yeah.
You let me on this thing. The popcorn.
Go. Okay. Where's Luke? You got him? Alright, let's
Can
go.
you set me down?
I thought you wanted to go up here.
Yeah.
Too high? Higher than you thought? I'll put you in the jump train.
This is good.
Alright. Farmer's market.
Wait, there's still a book in there. We're like, quick, everybody's mindful.
Okay.
Chocolate. Campfire s'mores?
Ooh, is it good?
Yeah.
You guys want some? Want one? How much is it?
That's circus one. They're in the circus business.
Oh, really? Like this one?
Is that okay? She likes circus.
Hold the chance, slippery.
No? Yeah, we have a two there. And we already charged her white. Orange, please. Thank you so much.
trip to the farmer's market.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof.
There's jellyfish.
I'm on a bandwagon now, pal.
Get
They're
copyrighted.
not like this. No.
Para la casa! Vámonos!
So weird. Anything else we need?
Of what?
Target.
No.
I don't have any wipes.
Let's cut this out.
Wipes? Do we have wipes?
Jeez.
Just kidding.
Okay, going to IKEA for one thing. Two things, Debbie. Two things? Two things. Because they're going to get crazy and they don't want to be there. But hopefully,
No,
Gonna have some
hold
fun.
on.
three things.
No, this happens with a mom. We come there for like 2 things and we end up buying like 3.
At IKEA?
Oh,
Well, we need lots of things, but we're going to have to hold up.
you guys need beds.
Hold up.
Hold up. We need beds, dressers,
Why am I enjoying cucumbers right now?
Because they're good.
because they're fresh.
Yeah, but they're plain, which just doesn't make sense.
Anyways. Alright, off to IKEA. Need to get some clips. What's IKEA? IKEA.
Oh yeah,
You excited? What are we getting?
Ice cream. Oh yeah. There's cinnamon buns.
Cinnamon buns.
Cinnamon.
And then there's a little one. No? Alright, leaving IKEA. Came for 2 things. Got a boatload of things.
What?
I said came for 2 things. Got a boatload of things. Okay, I wanted to do a voiceover here because you guys have probably seen on the other videos driving through this community. We're just going through these communities here. In Summerlin, there's villages. So this is Red Point and Red Point Square. But there's little villages around, and this is like the newest area in Summerlin. So just a quick little, we go there once in a while. We're in the middle of seeing if we can purchase a home, but so this is what this video is. Just wanted to explain. We haven't explained before. So yeah, but if you have any questions, just drop down below. This part right here, we went up to the top. It's like even newer than towards the bottom. Starbucks. Burnt coffee. Yes, please.
Get your burnt coffee.
Awkward.